Hey y'all, what's up? Today I am in Nita's house, and I don't know if there's possibly something crazy talking in the video, but I'm not gonna talk really about in this video so you can hear the ASMR. Just put, just the ASMR 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so crazy. Oh my god, it's cute. The sound of the it's a Christmas song, but to be honest, like, put that, oh my god, I can't go to silence. Oh god, by the way, if you have Roblox, I recommend you guys do so good. And so it's nice. Put up. Mm, yeah, yeah. We continue to get really spicy. Oh, it's so good. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna talk for a while, so I need to hear the ASMR. So I'll start in 3, 2, 1. And guys, just be back. The constellation. Back to ASMR. I recommend you play this game. So good. ASMR again. So nice. So nice right now. Feel so good. Back to ASMR. You must be dumpling. Just keep it like that. I think I'm dumpling. Okay, guys, doing the gonna have you already for me. It's because I already played this. I just want to do this again for you guys, because I love you guys. It's so good. It's so good. Yeah. So guys, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. And if you guys want me to do part two, please subscribe and like. And I will do part two, meetup of the meetup house. Bye!